Bowman Chrome Bird, first break of the day, 36.53. We are full. Good luck. Dice roll. We're going 7 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 here, 7 here. Brewers up top. Guardians at the bottom. 7 times on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 here, 7 here. Adam Pastella up top. Sean Bodner at the bottom. Let's sort them out. They all sorted. There's your squads. It's going to be a good break. Good luck. Here we go.
Thought you rip a few. Well, we'll probably get most of these off 40 of these. You got about 1
So what?
You got to leave a 240
Like 240. Just got to make sure I get it over there.
Dodger, taking a Dodger.
It normally shows up right at 3, so. And if I ain't there, or they don't see my car there, they just drive off. Then I have to go.
Again, guys, take your team in 36, 36, 2, 3, 4. Just 8 teams left. Break 36, 36. That's full case of Bowman Chrome. Again, and if you take one of the 12 break bundle deals on the site, you'll get a wheel spin as well. Good luck here. First bird.
Spencer Steer on the Rook. Mason Wynn on the Fall League. Camilo Diaz, Tanner Bibby. Yasser Mercedes, Prospect Process. Bryce Terang, Iconic. Francisco Alvarez. Byron Buxton, first numbered to 299.
Tom
Minnesota.
Tucked himself right into the Mets.
242 out of 299 for the Twins.
Hope you hit a monster, Tom.
Espinosa, Bryce Harper, Nolan Gorman, Oswaldo Osorio. First Bowman for the Dodgers to 499. 334 out of 499 for the Dodgers. Going to Chris Lamons. Nelson Jace Young, purple Daniel Mateo for the Rangers to 250 on the first Bowman ink. If you pull up that thing, Bobby, we can see what tier this guy is.
Johnson. Bang. Rangers, you said?
Yep. No, it's on the tab right beside it. Yep. Scroll down to Texas. Daniel Mateo to 250.
He's not one of the tiers.
Iconic. Jordan Alvarez, Carter Young on the shimmer for Baltimore.
Oh, we're gonna rock it out.
Ain't no doubt.
It's gonna be a long, good day.
Johan Rojas, Fall League, Victor Jesus.
Yeah, just that first card. You need to let it focus.
Yeah.
That's very good.
Ludwig Espinosa to 125 for the Cubbies. Cubs and Terry Zona. Acuna Jr., Iconic. Dominguez, Francisco Alvarez, it came to the league. De Los Santos. Gold. Emmanuel Terrero for the Pirates on the rookie ink. I like his autograph. He took his time. Almost signed off the card. Emmanuel Terrero for the Pirates.
He's not a tier either.
Got Bryce Harper iconic. Jun Suk Shim. 56 out of 75 on the yellow for the Pirates. Again, that's 56 out of 75 Pirates and Josh Cox.
Times that I had to. I was talking
Andy
about
and
it, I
Jet
had to.
Williams. Quick recap. Shim to 75. Torero. Espinosa 125. Carter Young. Daniel Mateo to 250. Oswaldo Osorio refractor to 499. And Byron Buxton to 299. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill.